So today we are going to analyze some food that we eat daily, and here is the tools and materials. The first tools is Bunsen burner, then test tube and shelf, and here is pipette, pincette, lighter, holder, and spoon. And here is ration plate and mortar and pestle. So next for the materials, there is tofu, tempeh, lugol, kombucha, oil, egg white, sugar solution, fruits, Benedict, Biuret, and alcohol. Thank you for listening. Let's start the experiment now.
Okay guys, for our first test, we're doing the starch test. Let's check it out. First, prepare a sample that contains starch, like rice, noodles, or bread. Next, add 5 drops of Lugol solution onto the sample. Now, observe the color change carefully. If the color changes to blue-black, it means the sample contains starch. But if there's no color change, the sample does not contain starch. And that's it for the starch test. Simple and easy. Now let's continue with the protein test. First, prepare a food sample that contains protein, like egg white, milk, or beans. Next, add Biuret solution to the sample. Gently shake or mix it, then observe the color change. If the color turns purple or violet, it means the sample contains protein. But if the color stays blue, it means no more protein is present. And finally guys, let's move on to the glucose test. First, prepare a food sample that contains glucose, such as fruit juice or honey solution. Next, add Benedict solution into the sample. After that, heat the mixture using a hot water bath. Wait for a few minutes. Then observe the color change carefully. If the color changes from blue to green, yellow, orange, or brick red, it means glucose is present. The more red is the color, the higher the glucose concentration. And that's the glucose test. Simple, clear, and done. Alright guys, that's all for today's food tests. We've learned how to test starch, protein, and glucose. And always remember biology, remember Gubi.